2024 Mazda CX-80 is Mazda's latest and most ambitious crossover, blending style, versatility, and performance tailored specifically for European and Japanese markets. As a three-row mid-size crossover, the CX-80 aims to deliver a premium driving experience that goes beyond the usual family SUV. This model introduces a more spacious interior, improved technology, and refined engine options that reflect Mazda's commitment to innovation and quality. Production of the Mazda CX-80 started in early 2024 at Mazda's Hofu Plant No. 2 in Yamaguchi, Japan. With a focus on comfort and power, this model is built on Mazda's large product group platform. It is designed with a rear-wheel drive layout and longitudinally mounted engines, giving it a more balanced and engaging feel on the road. Mazda offers the CX-80 with two distinct powertrain choices. The plug-in hybrid model, the star of the lineup, combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine with an electric motor to produce a combined output of 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This configuration allows for an electric-only range of about 33 miles, which is ideal for daily commutes with zero emissions. For those who prefer diesel, Mazda also offers a powerful 3.3-liter inline-six diesel engine featuring mild hybrid technology, delivering 250 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Both options are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and come with all-wheel drive as a standard feature, ensuring smooth performance across different road conditions. Inside, the CX-80 showcases Mazda's commitment to a high-quality driving experience. The interior is thoughtfully designed with spaciousness and comfort in mind. The available seating configurations, which include options for 6 or 7 seats, offer flexibility for families or groups. The second row can feature captain seats with or without a central console, giving passengers more space and comfort. Up front, drivers enjoy a 12.3-inch infotainment display, a full digital instrument cluster, and a head-up display that keeps essential information easily accessible. Mazda has ensured that the CX-80 is both practical and eco-friendly. The plug-in hybrid's electric range allows for emission-free driving in urban settings, while the diesel option provides long-range efficiency for those who travel further distances. With its striking design, spacious layout, and advanced technology, the CX-80 represents Mazda's dedication to creating a high-quality, eco-conscious vehicle for today's market. Designed to be as versatile as it is refined, the Mazda CX-80 has already made an impression in Europe and Japan, with a potential to become a standout model in Mazda's lineup.